Thank you. Let's go live to Plymouth. 7's Jonathan Hall with a look at the conditions there. Jonathan.
Hey, Brandon, we're live here along Plymouth Harbor. We can have a quick look out at the water right now. You can see the conditions are not all that bad right now. The winds are blowing about 20 miles an hour. There is some white caps out there. You can see the American flag blowing on the boat out there. And the trusty Mayflower, too, sitting right there in the harbor as well. We're told that there are some concerns about a minor splash over. It's a nor'easter that probably nobody down here is really going to be remembering for long, if we're going to be honest with you, because there has not been damage associated with this storm. However, the winds have been problematic. There's been some water out there, some rain. We're kind of experiencing just light rain right now, and the flags are sort of flapping away. But all in all, we're doing all right out here. We have somebody, I think, bringing us a little coffee. Is that what you can come out here now? What do we got here?
Cold brew bliss smoothies, pressed juice bar across the way.
And that's a little free advertising for Press Juice Bar, too.
Yes,
well, we got
hope
something
you
done
enjoy.
here. I'm going to take those. Thank you. So, what's your name?
Shannon.
Shannon.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shannon.
Thank you.
Well, we got some coffee. That'll keep us going throughout the day as we cover the weather. Shannon, you're awesome. Matt Gibbons, our photographer, is going to get one of these as well. And all of a sudden, I'm feeling a little bit like Steve Cooper. We're live in Plymouth. I'm Jonathan Hall, 7 News. Back to you guys.
Oh, you just need the snacks, Jonathan.